Okay, so I want you to make changes. I can see that you've done some changes in your local environment, but there are a few changes like the cosmetic changes here that you need to do. So since we do not have a Apple file, only put Android here. Download Android application. Don't write Play Store because we are not putting it on Play Store. And then in this section, you have to write the 25 words of project description that we have. This one, like I said, are you taking care of someone with dementia? In another color, write maybe, are you looking after a person living with dementia? Here, are you looking after someone living with dementia? And then download the app now. Do you need any assistance? Do that. Are you looking? And then you need to change sleep wandering. Easier life was designed based on caretakers of dementia. This full stop here. This app aims to address the concerns of different types of caregivers and meet their needs while caring for elderly. This actually needs to change. Locate your care receivers and loved ones in real time. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing you will be notified when your care on. Remove geofencing map. Get the route traveled by who them. You have to mention who throughout the day. Easy understand. Wrong English. The location and information are clearly displayed. Nav get directions, right? Get directions here. The location information, not location and information. Location information is clearly displayed on the map, allowing users to understand and use. No, not allowing users to get, allowing caretakers here, right? Allowing caretakers to navigate to their loved ones. And you need to change the images. Build schedule for dementia people, not dementia people. Build schedule for your loved ones, or uh, yeah, make loved ones only for loved ones. Schedule can establish a 1 day activity plan. It is not a 1 day activity plan. It can be even a 5 minute activity plan for dementia people and can set reminder function at the corresponding time. Add the tasks for your loved ones so they do not forget, so they do not miss out on important ones. Instead of control free, write full control, not control free. You have full control on it. Update, delete, and edit the schedules in the app calendar. Scheduling their day. That is what we've mentioned here, so don't mention it again. Notification. Get notified for any upcoming events. And you need to change the icons. This is okay, but control free is also okay. Notification is not okay. This is coding. Then you have to change the icon here also, here also, here also. All the icons need to be changed. They don't match. Nearby. There is a bug here. What is this? Nearby. Why is there a calendar input? Calendar input should go in schedule. Scheduler appointments, meetings, and periodical evaluations using the provided in-app calendar option. And then visual editor. What is this? Lino provides visual editor. Remove the template. Good foundation, get solid foundation. Remove all of this. You need to remove all of this. Monitoring tools evaluation. You've not changed this part. None of it is for the nearby. You need to change nearby. Find what is near. You need to, what's near me, what's near my loved one, and then write some information about it. And then we don't have sleep wandering. Put events here instead. Find out what's happening in your city, right? Like that. Find what's happening in your city, uh, and then add the picture of events. And here, like we were discussing, don't put do you know and everything on this one. It should come on here because there is a separation of concern here. So you need to add something here like, did you know dementia is not a disease here? And then, so what is dementia here? And remove this line. It is a, just write it is a set, because we are already putting dementia as not a disease on the top. Getting it? And justify it. This is all left justified. Make it all properly full justified. Should not look like this uneven. Then, like I told you last time, it should be dementia deserves attention. Make it like a heading here after this image, another heading. And what, so put dementia deserves attention here. And then, so what is the world base? And what is the Australia base? Don't write base, find another word. And then, so show me the details. Show me the details. And then dementia statistics map should not be the heading. Just write statistics. And people should not have this. This should not take 4 lines. It is not an important thing to see. If it is a map, people will understand. They have to come hover here. They will hover on this, and then they will understand what they have to do. So you don't have to write what this map does. Remove this part. And then remove this entire part. You don't need your screenshots here. Instead, put like a slideshow of images here. The images should change one after the other here in this section. And put a big phone. This is very small. And then one image here is okay, but don't show the login screen. And you need to change the background if you don't know how to do the opacity. Again, remove Apple Store and Play Store and just put download download Android app. And then you need to remove contact us and put FAQs instead. I told you to put FAQs. We don't need social media as well because it is navigating back to SCI 16. We don't need this. Don't put contact here. Put the links instead. About easier life aims to address the concerns. Full stop. And all the headings must have like this. First character, capital. All the headings should not be like this. And static map. Put statistics here. Don't put static maps. Background is okay. Feature is okay. Remove contact and this G plus icon. and convert this to white, because if this is white, this has to be white, and push it upwards. Yeah, do all this. Thanks.